A friend asked me to help find a classic Ford Mustang 1971 Spring Special. And surprisingly, one popped up on Facebook for an incredibly cheap price, just $600, almost scrap value. It's a 1971 Mustang Coupe that has been sitting for who knows how many years. It looks like it came straight out of the 1970s. Old, rough, and covered in the marks of time. The seller says it still has the Ford 351 Cleveland 5.8, and it's been converted to a manual transmission, which immediately caught my attention. But the big problem is that the car was parked because of structural rust, and that was a long time ago. Honestly, I have no idea how bad the frame underneath might be now. Weeds are even growing through the body, a clear sign it's been abandoned for years. Now I'm going to tow it back to the shop and try to start it, just to see if, after all these years, this Mustang can come back to life. After towing the Ford Mustang 1971 Spring Special back to the shop, I tried to bring it back to life. But unfortunately, the Ford 351 Cleveland 5.8 still won't start. Clearly, this old Mustang still has a long road ahead. Follow the next part as I keep working to bring this classic back to life and get it on the road again.